Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the epic saga of Blizzard Entertainment. Here are the top 5 takeaways. 1. Blizzard started as a small studio with big dreams, creating iconic games like World of Warcraft and Overwatch. 2. The company faced challenges, including corporate acquisitions and internal controversies, but always aimed to uphold its core values. 3. World of Warcraft's success transformed Blizzard into a tech giant, despite initial skepticism. 4. Blizzard's culture of creativity and hard work led to groundbreaking games, but also to crunch culture and morale issues. 5. Recent years have seen Blizzard grappling with corporate pressures, legal challenges, and the quest for a new identity. For a deeper dive into Blizzard's journey, check out our full review on the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.